Stop sending invoices when you're supposed to send a receipt. Dear businessman, come closer, let's talk. A lot of you use invoices and receipts interchangeably, like they mean one and the same thing. They do not mean the same thing. Apart from using them in communication interchangeably, which is wrong, you also use them in practice interchangeably. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to differentiate between an invoice and a receipt very clearly so that you will be no longer confused. So I'm going to do this under 4 parameters. I'm going to begin by talking about the timing. First, let's talk about the timing. An invoice goes out before payment is done. A receipt is issued after payment. So you can see the timing difference. There's a difference in timing, so they are not the same. That's for timing. Next, I want to talk about the purpose. Why is an invoice issued? An invoice is issued because it is a request for payment in respect of goods and services. So it is a request for payment. That is the purpose of an invoice. A receipt, on the other hand, is not a request for payment. It is a confirmation of payment. It is issued to confirm that payment has been made by the buyer. Next, I want to talk about the content. An invoice contains payment terms, deadlines. These are the things you find in an invoice. Breakdowns. Whereas in a receipt contains the payment, the amount paid, and the method of payment. Lastly, I want to talk about issue. Who is the issue to and who issues it? Both of them are issued by the seller, yes, but they are not issued to the same person. An invoice is issued to a debtor, someone who is owing you. That's why you are making a request for payment. So you have supplied goods and services, and you are now requesting for payment to be made. That's when you issue an invoice. A receipt, on the other hand, is issued not to a debtor, but to somebody who has paid. So you are issuing a receipt to tell the person this is a confirmation that your money in respect of this sale has been received. So if you enjoy this, I want you to like, to share with someone. And don't forget to go into our deep dives. We have so many videos on finance simplifier. We have hundreds of videos that simplify business language, accounting, finance, economics, and all of that. We have videos that will help you to be financially literate, as you should be. Because if you deal with money, if you want to make money, you need to understand the language of business. And accounting is a language of business. That is why we demystify accounting. Accounting is not only for accountants. No, accounting is for everybody. We only have accountants as the experts. They're the experts. But you need to have at least up to average knowledge of accounting and business and finance, because you are also a user, you are a stakeholder. You use financial information to make decisions. So how can you make the best decision if you have zero knowledge of the information being provided? That is why you need to go through our videos, look at the accounting standards, the IFRSs that we have demystified. We have hundreds of videos to show you what debit and credit are at the foundation level, what a cash book is, what a journal is, what a ledger is, what a trial balance is, what the accounting cycle is like. We have all of that. We have more intermediate stage. We have at advanced stage. So you want to know about International Financial Reporting Standards, the IAS, the IFRS. If you want to know about sustainability reporting issued by the ISSB, we have videos for that. So I urge you to like, to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you can always be notified when we have a brand new video. So this will help you.